5 little aliens in their flying saucers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little aliens in the flying saucers flew around the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so the green one flew away. Zoom! Now we have 1、2、3、4, 4 more aliens left. 4 little aliens in a flying saucer flew around the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so the blue one flew away. Zoom! Now we have Tahi, Lua, Toru. 1、2、3. 3 more aliens left. 3 little aliens in a flying saucers flew around the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so the purple one flew away. Zoom! Now we just have 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 more aliens left. 2 little aliens in a flying saucer flew around the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so the red one flew away. Zoo! Now we only have 1 alien left. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. He looked left and right, but he didn't like the sight, so the yellow one flew away. Zoom! That's the end of this beautiful nursery song. And I'm going to blow up a balloon. I'm going to puff, and I'm going to blow up this balloon. And at this part, I would like to talk about birthday party DIY balloons. So the idea is like when parents have a birthday party for their kids, they always make a theme for it, such as unicorns, dinosaurs, and vehicles, etc. So from these 2 cute eyes and the green colored balloon, you can link them to my theme. So actually this is an alien. And organizing an activity for the children who attended to your kids' birthday party is really important. Therefore, balloons are really affordable and not so expensive, even for a large amount of children. So I really suggest you try this idea on the next birthday party or next teaching programs. Just give it a go.
Hello, I am an alien. I traveled to the Earth, but my flying saucer was broken. Could you please make me one? Thank you.
Hello, alien. I am Sophie. Sure, I can help you make a flying saucer so you can fly back to your home. So if you're ready, let's have a look what kind of a flying saucer I'm going to make for you. Let's go. Big circle. Here we go. It's a circle, kind of like circle. Circle, circle, circle. And make sure this one can jump in. So must have a hole such as big as this. The alien can take the flying saucer. Cool. Can think whether make it small. And can fit in. Probably makes this circle a little bit small. Ta-da! Let's see. Can fit in. Oh, hoo, properly. And next one, we just need to sew this up and kind of like fill it with cotton or. Here we go. Got it for you. And the next one, we'll just need to make the bigger. Oh. I think we got enough, so I'm going to cut this down and tuck the rest in. I think then we're done. So all we need to do at the end is seal it. So feels like really big, good for two aliens to go in. Anyway, we'll see. Should we go get something on top? Kind of like make another one? What do you say? Flying saucer? Should make another one on top. And so they can jump in. Make another one? Yeah. What should on top? This blue. Let's see which one match. More like blue. This blue. Quite close to each other. Yeah, this two looks good. Not too bad. It's more about the ring stack on top, and then I make the looks better. Okay, cool. Now we're going to make a top ring. Flying saucer. It goes so wild. And let's make a circle. Okay, cool. Let's use this. Make another one. And then now we need to change the string to blue. 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 Here we go. Feels like you can fit in. Woohoo! Flying saucer. Oh, it's a little bit hard. I think we need to cut a couple of these things. Probably need to change the strategy by stacking them up. A little bit hard to tuck in and sew it. A little bit tricky, but we're gonna make it. Ta-da. Not too bad. Okay, we'll start from this circle. Because it's so narrow, so thin, so make the sewing a little bit tricky, but we can make it. Since I finished this, it feels like cool, not too bad. It look like a flying saucer. Actually, it has a blue and a gray, so what a color matching! Exactly good for our alien friends. So I was thinking, so got like a pair of these things, get a spool, and so kind of like attach it to 1, 2, 3, 4. Use a 4 like a supporter to support this flying saucer stand up a little bit. And yeah, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will tuck in with these polyester kind of like materials and sew it and connect it to the main flying saucer. And I could use it. My flying saucer is not totally round. It's kind of like bagel shape, bread shape. Anyway, we're gonna keep going with it and see how it's going. If it's not good, we can keep fixing. And there's a part of like keep trying things, so doesn't matter, just keep trying. We will see, and probably use another 20 minutes to fix this, to do this full like a special kind of like pillars for our flying saucer or supporter. And just kind of like keep sewing kind of like cotton material things, and just like roll it into a kind of like sausage shape. Not too bad. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da! Here comes the flying saucer. Need to stand up. Stand up, flying saucer. If I really wanna make it the stand, probably I can use a hot glue gun, glue it together. So here we go. Comes the hot glue gun. Otherwise can't really stand. We needed the stand. So warming up. Once warming up, it will stand like this. Yams on the top, and here you go. Woohoo! And the next we can get some pom-pom and make this happen. We'll go find some pom-pom. Ta-da! Here comes my pom-pom. They are in different size, different style. So if we take this one, One or bigger? Probably bigger. Too bright. What? Probably use this pom-pom. Doesn't have too much color. 1, 2. Okay, cool. I feel so like this is better. Then we need to first make them sticky. Okay, feels like my peeler is not too bad. Let's wiggle it a little bit and make sure it stands properly, not too close, not too back inside. Woohoo! Here we go, spotter. Here we go. We'll press it harder. Flying saucer. Do 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 do. Here we go, flying saucer. Oh, now it's a decoration time. Decoration. What should we do? Got some really bright color first. How about we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. Green. Yellow, of course. Next one. Yellow. And the pink. Feels like pink. Pink. And how about we'll make it the symmetry. Go yellow. Next one is green again. Go. Decoration down. Woohoo! So, Alien, are you happy with my work? Hello, Alien. Look what I have made for you. A flying saucer. Ta-da! It's done. So I got this scan folder, this spotter, and did a little bit of decoration. And hope you like it. Actually, as I designed the flying saucer, I also try to match the color with your special costume. So if you're ready, just give it a go. Jump on board. Da-da, da-da. Tweet, tweet, tweet. And when we count down from 5 to 1, and we're gonna zoom away. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! So bye bye, Sophie. Thank you for helping me. Bye bye, everyone. We'll visit the Earth next time. Look forward to his visit next time. Thank you for watching. See you next time. See ya.